Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Erdi Saputra. I will presentation research proposal. The title is Student Perception About Using English Videos on YouTube to Improve Listening Skill in the third semester of the English Study Program at Muhammadiyah University Sukabumi, academic year 20 2023 2024. Background of the problem. Listening skill is an important aspect in understanding a foreign language, including English. For students learning English as a second or foreign language, the development of listening skill is especially relevant as it plays a key role in understanding conversation, pres- presentation, or various audio material in English. The development of information and communication technology has had a major impact on education, including learning English. One popular and easily accessible resource is the English videos on the YouTube platform. The range of video content available include everyday conversation, television show, interview, and other forms of material, all of which can help improve student listening skill. Focus on the problem. Focus on the problem. The trial, the background in the previous selection, the researcher focuses on the student perception of listening skill as follows. One student can find out how to use English videos on YouTube to improve their listening skill. Two, find out the benefits students feel from using English videos on YouTube in improving their listening skill. Three, third of tales of tales facts by student in using English videos on YouTube. Formulation of the problem. Based on the problem focus about the researcher formulated the problem as follows. 1. How to use English video on YouTube to improve his listening skill. 2. What benefit do students feel from using English videos on YouTube in improving their listening skill? 3. What obstacles do students face in using English video on YouTube? Objective of the research. Referring to the problem formulation above, the researcher will formulate the research objective as: one student can understand how to use English videos on YouTube to improve their listening. Two, students benefit significantly after using English videos on YouTube in improving their listening skill. Three, students can overcome the obstacle effect in using English videos on YouTube. Use of the research. Based on the research objective above, it is hoped that this research will be of practical benefit uh, for teacher and lecturer. Teacher can find out about how to improve English teaching approaches that focus on listening skill by leveraging video researchers on the YouTube platform. B. Next, researchers. The researcher hope that this research can be useful for future researchers as well for additional references on similar research topic regarding the potential and challenge of using English video on YouTube as the learning lessons improve student listening skill. Literature review. Definition of listening skill. 2.2 use of technology in English language learning. 2.3 video as a learning media. 2.4 YouTube as the learning platform. 2.5 student perception of using English videos on YouTube to improve listening skill of listening skill. Research method, research approach. The research is the qualitative approach. A qualitative approach was used because the research aimed to find out how students perceive for achieve listening skill. Types of research. In the research they design use in case study. Case studies allow researchers to investigate complex phenomena in the nature on holistic context. This research will focus on student perception as unique individual in their learning environment and how they respond to the use of English videos on YouTube. Research place. The location of this research was carried out in Muhammadiyah University Kota Bumi, which is located at Jalan Hasan Head of Queen No 1052 Sindang Sari Kota Bumi, Distrik Nor Lampung, Regency Lampung, Provinsi Base of Research. Data share. The data set in this research are data research obtained from data source that explain student perception of listening skill which are available in various forms such as previous research articles and books. Research instrument. The research instrument that will be used to measure student perception of the use of English video on YouTube as a tool to improve their listening skill. The research instrument used was the questionnaire designed to assess the extent to which students understand the benefit of using English videos on YouTube in improving their listening skill. In this search, the questionnaire will include questions about the frequency of use the test video, their usefulness and relevance in English language learning, as well as their effectiveness in improving student comprehension and listening skill. Data collection technique in the research to gain an in-depth understanding of student perception regarding the use of the English video on YouTube, and data collection technique used were interview and questionnaires. Validity testing. In the research, a constructed validity test was carried out to evaluate the intent of to which this research instrument can measure the contracts in question, namely student perception about the use of English videos on YouTube to improve listening skill, to test the validity of the construct exploratory factor analysis EFA was carried out to identify the factor structure of the research instrument. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.